Hello friends, this is Twinkle from Civil Center and we are back with another video of Vastu Shastra. So without further ado, let's get started. In the previous video, we have already discussed that we have 8 direction in which we have 4 direction and 4 sub-direction. Now we will see what is the role of the cardinal direction. The north is the adobe of Kubir. Then we have northeast, which is ruled by the Sadashiva. Then east is ruled by Indra. Southeast is the habitat of fire. Then south is the adobe of Yama. Southwest is the adobe of Putna. And west is the adobe of Varuna. Then northwest is the adobe of air or wind. Then we have our central space, which is known as Brahmastan, which is the place of Brahma. Then we will see what is Vastu Purusha Mandal. Vastu Purusha Mandal is the clearest model of universe and provide the basis for architectural design. It is an important factor in constructing the building. As a rule, its shape is square, which is fundamental form of Hindu architecture. Now we will personify the Vastu Purusha Mandal. In the northeast, which is the head, it means it is the sensitive and controlled sun. In this location, we can place our puja room. Then we have north and east, which in which we have the arms, which means active and live. In this location, we can place our living room, study room, etc. Then we have our south and west, which is the legs, which means rest and movement. It is the best location for the bedrooms. Then we have our southwest direction, which has the feet, which is suitable for bath and excretion. Then we have our southeast, the knees and the elbows. It is the best location for the costume and valuable things. Then we have our northwest direction in which knees and elbows are present, which is the best location for the storage of grains and eatables. Then we have our central space, the navel, which should be open to sky or we can keep our plantations. Now we will discuss about the Vastu for the main entrance. According to Vastu Shastra, the main entrance is not only entry point for the family members but also for the energy. Beside being aesthetically appealing, the main door should be in correct direction as per the Vastu Shastra to attract positive energy. So we will see how can we do that. Let us discuss about the direction of the main door. The main door should be placed in north, east or the northeast direction. Beside that, we can also place it in the south of the southeast direction or west of the northwest direction. But we should always avoid to have our main door in the south, southwest or northwest direction. The main door should be constructed in a way to ensure that when we step out, you should always face the north, east or northeast direction. Now we will see what are the best position for placing the main door and why it is the best position. Northeast is the most auspicious when it comes to the placing your door. Of its exposure to the sun in the morning, it derives immense energy to the room. It also adds vitality and energy into the house and its inhabitants. Then we have north as the second best position for the main door, as it is believed it brings wealth and fortune to the family. Then we have east, It is not very ideal location, but it enhances the power and also adds the festivity. Then we have south of the southeast. If you have no other option, then you can go for the south of the southeast. Then we have west of the northwest. It also gives the benefits of the evening sun, and prosperity can be welcomed in this way. Now we will discuss what material should be used for the main doors. A wooden door is always considered the most auspicious for the main entrance. If you have your door in the south direction, you should have the combination of metal. Then, if you have it in the west direction, it should have metal work. Then, for the northern door, it should have more of the silver color. Then, for the eastern doors, it should be made of wood and adorned with the limited metal accessories. According to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui principle, it suggests that main doors should be prominent, visible, and easily identifiable. You can add the house number or even your name to make it prominent. Then your nameplate should be simple rather than going from for engravings or ornamentation. What are the do's and don'ts for your main door? First, you should always have bright light at the entrance, but you should always avoid red colored light. The main door should be well lit in the evening. You can decorate the entrance with the green plants if there is a space. Otherwise, torans are also good for the decoration at main door. But you should avoid animal statues and other figures or even water elements like fountains at the main door. Then, the main door should be open at 90 degrees without any obstacle in the way. Ensure that it should open in clockwise direction, and main door should be well maintained regularly. You should always put up a nameplate. If your door is in the north or west direction, you should put up a metal nameplate, or if it is in the south or east direction, you should use a wooden one. Then, only superior quality wood should be used in the main door, and the height of the door should be greater than the other doors in your home. You should never place bathroom close to the main door, and your main door should not be of black color. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.